to my channel. So for today's video, I am super excited because I am doing a review and first impressions of Glossier Play. And if you guys have been subscribed to me, you might know that I actually used to work at Glossier, and I made a video about what it's like to work at Glossier, and I'll leave it down below. Basically, I was a showroom editor and I had so much fun and I loved that job so much. I learned so much about the brand and about the story behind the brand, and really along the way when I was working there was kind of really a part of a lot of the new product launches. So what's really kind of exciting about working there is you get to know ahead of time what products are launching because you need to be trained on them and ready for launch day. Now that I don't work there anymore, of course, I'm not privy to that information. However, I do get just as excited when they release new products because not only wasn't I an employee, I'm also a huge fan of the brand. And when I found out last week that they were launching Glossier Play, I of course ordered everything, and I'm going to do a review and swatches and sort of like first impressions. But before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe and hit the bell. Also follow me on Instagram, it's the Fashion Squirrel, and I post daily outfit inspiration on there and some other beauty tips as well. Also, I don't know if you guys live in New York, but I'm just in such a good mood today because the weather is so nice. It's the middle of March right now, and I was outside all day shooting photographs for my Instagram, and it's just the weather was so unexpectedly nice. And you know when it's been a long winter and then like the first nice warm day, you're like, oh, so excited. And spring is honestly my favorite season next to summer just because it feels so new and fresh and exciting. But yeah. So I can't wait any longer. Without further ado, let's open the products. Okay, so I got this in the mail and I have been anxiously waiting to open it up. So this is what it came in. It's just a white box with a Glossier sticker. Ooh, I hope I don't cut myself. Dun dun dun. Okay, so it just says Glossier. And inside is the famous pink pouch and a sticker. Ooh, okay. So Glossier, of course, always does stickers. That's like their thing. But the Glossier Play sticker is this like thicker sticker. It's like almost like a jelly, not a jelly, but like, you know those like thicker stickers when you're younger? You're like, oh, those stickers are nicer than the other stickers. That's this one. But it just says Glossier Play in like a blue green, so that's cool. So basically what I ordered is the Playbook, which means you get every single product in one shade of your choosing. So I obviously didn't go into the store, I ordered online, so I didn't really get to swatch ahead of time. So this is really truly going to be like my first impressions and first reactions. If I like these, I'll probably need to go back and I'll probably buy some more colors. So okay, so the products come, and this is my Glossier U sample. The products are all white. They're all just like a simple white packaging with like a purpley, pretty kind of like Glossier Play on it. So that's that. And then yeah, all of them have the same kind of just like plain white packaging with they all have a different color Glossier Play logo on them. So let's go through product by product. So first is this one. Can't really tell what it is from the outside. Okay. Okay, so this looks like, what is this? I'm so confused. It's just like a purple stick and this like purple packaging on the inside. Okay, you know what? Ooh, this is kind of cool. Okay. So this is clearly the pencil sharpener, although I don't know what this little stick is for. Maybe it like cleans it out? Not sure. But yeah, it's just like a simple pencil sharpener. I honestly didn't need this because I have a pencil sharpener for my eyeliner pencils. But okay, the next thing, ooh, I think that this is the highlighter. Okay. So the color that I got is Pale Pearl. I think it's the lightest highlighter shade. Ooh, and this one comes in like a yellow packaging. So each one inside, it has like this really fun colored packaging. It almost reminds me of candy or something. But okay, yeah. So this one is a highlighter. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow, it's much smaller in person. It's literally the size of a nail polish. I want to shake it up like a nail polish. I wonder if you have to do that. I'm not sure. Okay, but this is the Night Shine Highlighter Concentrate in Pale Pearl. So let me just swatch it. Okay, so it has this kind of like a doe foot applicator. Ooh. Yeah, it's very pigmented. It's very pretty. You can see it's like a really nice, it's subtle, but it's very nice. So I'm just going to apply it as you would a highlighter. Okay. So the thing about, I guess the main difference between Glossier and Glossier Play is supposed to be that Glossier is a very natural look, whereas Glossier Play is more of those like fun kind of out there colors, more for like going out. And I have to say, I don't see a huge difference between this and the Halo Scope. I'm not really coming up with any like amazing shine. You can see it, like I already have some highlighter on both cheeks, and this cheek is almost glowing more than this cheek is. I don't know if it's just the light, and this is the one that I applied the product to. It's not insane, but maybe I'm just using it wrong. Let's do the tip of my nose. I'm just gonna grab a mirror, one sec. Okay, actually, I take that back. This lighting, I'm sorry, I really need to get a ring light. But actually, now that I'm looking at it in an actual mirror, not the viewfinder, I have to say it is very nice. It's definitely there. It's definitely more than the Halo Scope. What this reminds me of actually is a product that used to be my holy grail. I always use this highlighter. It's the Benefit High Beam. I don't know if anyone else remembers that product or feels the same way, but it seems very similar to that. Almost the same color, the same amount of shine. So I mean, that's a good thing. That used to be my favorite highlighter ever. So yeah, I think that given that, I could probably really get to love this product. Alright, so this next product is really fun. It's the Color Slide. These are the colored eye pencils. It's called the Techno Gel Eye Pencil, and I got the shade Early Girl, which is a really pretty kind of like bluish greenish color, and I figured since I have green eyes that maybe it would be pretty and it would go well. Okay, so again, this one comes in like a really pretty blue packaging. I really like the packaging. It's really exciting, especially if you don't know that it's coming. Like, you don't know from the outside that there's going to be this fun packaging on the inside because it's just a plain white. I think that was a really cool detail that they added. This is Early Girl. Oh my gosh. Ah. So yeah, it's just like a pretty typical pencil. Just gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh my gosh. Ah, I love this. Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty color. It's this really nice, so what I'm going to do is apply this as an eyeliner to my top lid. Wow, okay, I've only gone halfway through my eye and I'm already like, this is so pretty. It's honestly like, I wouldn't normally do something like this because I feel like it's kind of bold, but for this summer, hell yes. Like, definitely, like, I can see myself going out this summer and applying something like this, just like getting ready with my friends and just totally rocking it. I really like it. It also slides on very well. It's super easy to apply. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of my eye off camera. Okay. So this is it. I really, really like it personally. I think it is so amazing. I really, really hope that this becomes a trend, but also not because I want to be like the cool one that's doing it. But I really, really like it. Oh my gosh. I am so happy. I'm going to do this so much. Ah, it's just so pretty. So next is the glitter jelly. I think that's how you pronounce it. G-E-L-E-E. And the color I got is Phantasm? Not sure. But it's like this really pretty kind of like silvery, shiny, glittery color. Again, such fun packaging. This one's orange. It's like, it feels like a piece of candy. Like, it's like a little treat. Just start calling Glossier the candy store, honestly. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the type of thing that when I feel like they're almost like playing on the nostalgia of like when you were a teenager, like a 13-year-old just starting makeup, you like love stuff like this. And I was born in 92, so I was definitely of that generation. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is going to be so fun. So it's like a super, like, it's like a whitish, clearish, glittery color. Let's see if we can get a close-up. I am so excited to swatch this. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's like a jelly consistency. Oh my gosh, it's like holographic. Oh my gosh. It's like the stars. I'm taking this in my finger and I'm going to apply it to my lid. Oh my gosh. Are you seeing this? I am actually obsessed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Let's do a close-up. It is, the consistency of it, it's super easy to apply. It looks amazing. I could definitely see this, first of all, for going out, just like any night, obviously, but then also it'd be perfect for a festival, like a summer music festival, something like Coachella or anything. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm so obsessed with that. That is so cool. I'm so obsessed with this brand. Glossier did it again. So I also got this is called the Detailer, and this is a silicone precision multi-tool. So I think that you could also apply the glitter jelly with this pen. And again, fun, bright packaging on the inside. Everything is a different color. Okay, this is different than I thought it would be. So this is what looks like a brush, but it's not a brush and it's not a sponge. It's just like literally a silicone brush in this shape. So I think that if you were to apply the glitter jelly with this, you could do it almost like an eyeliner with it. But let me see how that works. So this I think is cool. So this precision multi-tool I think is cool and it's nice, but I don't think that it's absolutely necessary. Like you saw, I just applied it with my finger and that worked amazingly. I would save your money and maybe you definitely don't need this because I don't think I'll be using this, so it's kind of a waste. It doesn't really, I don't know if maybe it's better for one of the darker colors than this. It doesn't really help you apply it in the shape of an eyeliner. I just did it and it kind of went all over the place. And then the last product in the Playbook is the Vinylic Lip. The shade that I got, it's a High Shine Lacquer. The shade that I got is called Blow Up. It's like this pretty red color, similar to the color of the pillows. I thought that this would just be a nice shade on my lips. And another fun packaging. It's like a really pretty, I would maybe describe it as like a plum shade, but not purpley. It's more like a brownie color, which is sort of more what I like. Ooh. Okay, so this is clearly a, yep, so you push the bottom and it starts to come out the top. Okay, it clicks. At least I hope. I feel like I'm like preparing a needle, like. I hate getting shots. Does anyone else? I feel like lots of people. Okay, something's got to come out. So this is it. I'm just going to apply it to my lips. I like the way that it goes on. I like the felt tip applicator. It's kind of a, it's like a moisturizing consistency. It's definitely not like a liquid lipstick. It's not going to dry your lips out at all. The only caveat to that is I don't know how long it would stay, so I'd have to try that out and come back. But I do like the color. It's not the shade that I was expecting. I mean, I guess it does look kind of the same, but it kind of almost reminds me of like a lip gloss. Okay, yeah, that's what it reminds me of. It's a lip gloss with color in it. It's not as sticky as a lip gloss, but it smells good. And it definitely has color. So I'd be interested to know how long that color lasts and how often you would need to apply it. But it's definitely a great consistency, great color. Can't complain. It's very fun. It's like a great like pop of color. Not that I don't already have pops of color going on my face right now. So anyways, yeah, sorry for the lighting change. The sun's kind of going down. It's the end of the day. Overall, I am really impressed with this brand. I think some of the products like this tool I'm definitely not going to use. And this is great, but it's not that exciting. But overall, I am super impressed, mainly with these two. And I really cannot wait to use them the next time I go out or just incorporate them into my getting ready routine. So definitely impressed, definitely very excited, and also really anxious to hear what you guys think of Glossier Play as well. I love joining like a conversation about this in the community and hearing what other people think as well. So definitely leave me a comment. I'd love to have a conversation with you about it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, definitely feel free to subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. All right, bye guys.